Hey, hope you're having a great day. In today's video, I'm going to help you make sure you're not choosing a bottom barrel college or university that's not going to get you the career that you want. The entire reason I'm recording this video today is because I'm currently working with a student who 30 years ago went to college for 6 years, got a bachelor's degree and a master's degree. That college or university has since gone out of business, and his degree is worth nothing, so he's literally starting school over. I help people graduate faster, so I'm currently helping him graduate faster, but he should never be in this situation. He just chose the wrong school from the beginning. So I'm going to help you avoid that mistake. If that sounds good, then let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a two-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel and I'll show you how. All right, so I want to talk about something really important, and that is accreditation. Colleges and universities have to meet a certain bar of standards. Their education has to meet a certain standard or quality of education to be accredited. Well, accreditation tells you a lot about how good the school is that you're attending, okay? So I want to talk about the two types of accreditation, the two main types. There's what's called programmatic accreditation for like very specific programs. But the important thing here is we're going to talk about your two main types of accreditation, and that is regional accreditation and national accreditation. Okay, and I know the word national sounds like it would be better, but reality is regional accreditation is much, much better than national accreditation. So the first thing you need to do when you're choosing a college or university is making sure it's regionally accredited. Now, I will say every time I record videos like this, I get comments below of students who have earned degrees from nationally accredited schools trying to convince that national accreditation is as good as regional accreditation. That's not the case. Do not fall for that. Regional is better than national. End of story. There's no argument. Literally, according to the government, regional accreditation is better than national. Okay. There's really no way to debate that. Regional accreditation, it is the most prestigious, widely recognized type of accreditation. For a school to become regionally accredited, they have to prove or exceed rigorous education standards and pass an intense review process. Okay. Now, national accreditation is lesser accreditation. It's literally evaluated by an accreditor and met criteria, but that criteria is lower standards than regional accreditation. Okay. Now, why is this important? Because who cares about all the mumble jumble if we don't actually have a reason why? The reason why is, I'm going to give you a handful. Okay. Regionally accredited schools do not accept credits from nationally accredited schools. So if you start at a nationally accredited school and then try to transfer those credits to a regionally accredited school, those credits mean nothing to the regionally accredited university. You can't transfer over, okay? You can't transfer over. Now, there are some universities that are not super well-known universities that literally will accept anything for transfer credits. But for the most part, a really good, high-quality, regionally accredited university is just not going to accept nationally accredited credits, okay? So that's huge. You can't pivot or change past later. Once you start nationally accredited, you have to finish nationally accredited because otherwise you're not going to receive any value for those credits, okay? Now next, nationally accredited degrees don't get you into high-end master's programs. Yes, a nationally accredited degree can get you into some master's programs, but if you're looking for really high quality, really prestigious master's programs, you're almost always going to need a degree from a regionally accredited school. Okay. Now someone's going to comment down below and say, that's not the case. I got into this school or whatever. Yes. There are a few exceptions. You can get into some master's programs, but I'm talking the big, really high quality schools with big names. You have to have a regionally accredited degree to qualify for those programs. Okay. Now, this one's huge and goes along with the entire reason I'm doing this video today. Nationally accredited schools are notorious for going out of business, okay? So if you're, and I am going to teach you how to find out what accreditation a school, your college or university has in just a second. I'll walk you through step by step how to find out. But if you find out that your school's or the school you wanted to attend was nationally accredited, it might sound good. It might look great right now, but what's going to happen 10 or 20 years from now? Okay. If your college or university goes out of business, your diploma takes a nosedive, like it becomes worth nothing. Hence, I'm working with a student who literally is starting college over again because he got a degree from a nationally accredited school that went out of business. You do not want to make that mistake. Okay. Now, next, nationally accredited schools can cost less. You get what you pay for, right? If it's a lower quality education, usually it's going to cost less, but you can't always qualify for government grants at nationally accredited schools. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. Now, huge warning, okay? Huge warning. If you're going to attend a university and the university does not accept government grants, it doesn't mean they don't accept government grants. It means the government has not allowed them or granted them funding because they don't meet the qualifications. So if you can't get grants for a university, don't attend that university. It's not a good university. It might sound good on paper. It might look good. They might have some good reviews. They might be great at advertising. But here's the thing. That university, run away, okay? If you can't get government funding for a school, that's a major, major red flag, okay? Now, another thing, nationally accredited universities don't always qualify for tuition reimbursement from like corporate jobs, or if you work at a job who says they'll reimburse your tuition if you go back to college. Nationally accredited universities don't always qualify for that, okay? Regionally accredited universities do. Okay, so that's huge. Now, another thing, and why do we go to college? We go to college to get jobs. Colleges and universities that are regionally accredited generally get you better jobs, okay? Yes, you can get a good job with no degree. Yes, you can get a good job with a nationally accredited degree. But statistics tell us better jobs go to people with better degrees, okay? So you need to make sure your school is regionally accredited. Now, how do you find out what accreditation your university has? How do you find out? Let me show you. We're going to jump over to my computer screen and I'm going to show you two resources, and I'm going to leave these links down below so that you can go and start doing your research. First, this is the Council of Higher Education Accreditation, okay? This is a link to a website where you can literally look and see right here. These are the institutions for regionally accrediting colleges and universities. Now, one of these is not greater than the other, okay? Each of these is assigned to a specific region of the United States. So each of these institutions are basically responsible for accrediting or giving regional accreditation to universities in the states within that region, okay? So if one of these universities accredits the college or university you want to attend, you know that they are regionally accredited, okay? So I'm going to give you this link so you can come and look at these, okay? Now, step number 2, we're going to go to, this is from the government, okay? It's a database of accredited post-secondary institutions and programs, okay? Now, literally all we're going to do is we're going to type in the name of a university here, okay? I grew up in Utah, wanting to go to University of Utah, so let's search University of Utah. We'll search, then we'll click on the name of the school here, University of Utah, and you can see they are accredited by the Northwest Commission on Colleges and Universities. We'll go back and you can see the Northwest Commission on Colleges and Universities is on this list. Okay, let's try another school. This one is, you start to see them all over the place online, but it's called University of the People, okay? I am not a fan. I have a whole video on the University of the People and why I don't like this school. They say they're free, but they're not really free. And as we go here, we search them, click on their name, and this is important, okay? There's a little thing that says pre-accredited, And then there's a little thing that says accredited. You need to look at the one that says accredited because pre-accreditation is not the same as accreditation, okay? And as you can see, they are accredited by the Distance Education Accrediting Commission. If we go back here, look at our regional accreditation commissions, and as you can see, it is not on the list. That means they are not regionally accredited, okay? You can go through this process with whatever school you want. You search for the name of the school here, click search, and then you can go and see which institution is accrediting that college or university. That's how you find out if the university is regionally accredited, okay? Now, there are other things that you need to look for in schools, especially if you want to graduate faster. I am a huge fan of competency-based education, which means you essentially can accelerate through college at your own pace instead of the pace of the college or university, the pace that they've laid out for students. I earned my entire bachelor's degree in literally 9 months flat, and I've helped a lot of other people do that. So there are other things you need to look for in schools. You want them to allow you to test out of classes, to accelerate at your own pace, things like that. If you want to learn how I graduated college, earned a bachelor's degree in 9 months, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description to basically a free video training where I walk through how to hack college and graduate faster. So no strings attached. It's a free video. Go watch it if you're interested. Now, I hope this video has added value to your day. I hope it's helped you avoid the mistake of picking a bottom barrel school that could potentially go out of business or does not have the same accreditability as another school. You want to make sure you choose the right school from the beginning, and I hope this video has helped you do that. If you liked the video, click the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos of me teaching you how to graduate faster, save a whole bunch of money on college, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Talk to you in the next video.